They're in the left side of the decoys. Get up and shoot them. They're in the decoys, left side.
Oh. Ah, get up, get up.
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh.
Hey, hey, hey.
Get up.
Nice shot. That last one. Weren't expecting him to fly that early, but if they're gonna do that, then we'll kill him. So we'll take it. I think they got 5 or 6 out of that. We're just we're in a cut wheat field this morning. We got 10 dozen silhouettes out, a couple spinners. There wasn't just a ton of birds in here yesterday. Main goal is to shoot darkies this morning. We got a pretty good snow and duck combo later, so mainly want to shoot darks. First flock did it good, so we'll see what happens the rest of the time. But if ducks fly, there was a couple in here yesterday. I'm not just gonna let them fly off.
What was that?
Just have no stock go right here. As long as I stay down, I'll be all right. Geese on the right. Be still right here, guys.
Which one? The 10 minutes? We're going back.
Get him out front, guys. Get him out front. Right up front. Right up front. Right up front. Right there on the left. Nice. Good shooting. Back. Good shooting there, guys. I didn't even see the forward till you said something. Here, let's go. Oh, on the right, on the right. Don't move, guys. Be really still right here. Kill him over top. Kill him over the top, guys. Over the top. Nice shooting. Good shooting. Good shooting, guys.
They learned.
Here.
We took care of that issue.
Good shooting.
Back.
You guys get ready out front. Make sure you pick a bird here. Good group. Okay. Just be real still right here. A lot of eyes on us here. We're going to swing right over the top. Kill him, guys. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. On the right. Up top, straight up top. Get him right out front, right out front, right out front. Back. I did not think they were snows, dude. I had no idea. Back. That's 2. Good shooting. That wind's kind of quartering at us instead of. Oh, dude, yeah, it's definitely quartering. That's why they're trying to come over that back shoulder. They're gonna land left. Okay, they're in the decoys front left. You guys get up and shoot them. In the decoys front left, front left, front left. They're way out there. Good shot. Good shot. I thought they were going to try to swing in at the last second to give you guys a little closer shot. That's why I waited, but. We're going to shoot for the bottom 3. If the low one, if the top one gets in low enough, we're going to shoot him too. Get him out front. Get him out front. Get him out front. Get him out front. Oh, gosh, dang it, Milo. Good shooting. Get ready. Go and try him. Go and try him. They're long, but go and try him. In the decoys on the left. Right up front. Watch that hand. Get him, guys. Get him out front. Get him out front. Get him out front. Dude, I had no idea. Yeah, they got to about 50 yards, and we had no clue they were there. Everybody got ready and shot some. They didn't really finish very good. The wind's kind of quartering in our face, so we might move the decoys around a little bit, see what happens. Get him, guys. Get him. Get him. Right up front. Right up front. Right up top. Right up top. Nice shot. Reload. 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 Somebody get a shell in. Somebody get a shell in. Right out front. Right out front. Watch all three of them. Watch all four. Get him. Get him. Right up front. Right up front. Up top. Oh, get him. Get that last one.
He's going down.
That was sick. Gosh, dude. Good shooting there.
Low bird.
Good. Back. Back. Good shooting on that group, too. That was awesome. I can't believe they came back right over us, too. Is it ready on the Kill him right here, front left, front left, front left, front left. Right up top, right up top. Good shooting on the left. Anybody got a shield? Nice! Good shooting. What? Banded. Just kidding. We have 31 geese, or dark geese, sorry, and probably 15, 20 snows, and I'll get a couple ducks. So we need one more goose to finish out a 4-man limit here.
I'm gonna get up and shoot him. He's gonna land.
Get him on the right. Get him out front right, front right, front right, front right. Just got wrapped up here hunting this cut wheat field this morning. We saw a few birds in it yesterday, not a ton, but had a couple good flocks do it right, and they made it count for sure. These are awesome dudes. They can shoot well. That helps us a lot. So they did good. What little we had show up, we shot them pretty close and shot them decoying. So it was a good morning, and we're gonna go get some breakfast and wrap this up.
I had the ducks marked straight out there. We just pulled into the field for this evening. It's a cut wheat field here. There's a lot of snow geese and a good amount of ducks using it. We need 29 ducks to finish off the client's limit for the day, and then we got 3 guests joining us, or 2 guests joining us. The farmer and his nephew's gonna hop in with us so they can shoot their dark geese, and then we're gonna try to get after the snow. It's pretty good. Gorgeous evening. We got good wind, sunshine, so it should be good. Snow geese and ducks.
And snow geese and ducks.
Lots of ducks, lots of snow geese.
It looks like the geese ought to love all this. Well, I see goose herds out here. So.
Yeah,
all this wheat that's coming up.
Yeah, this volunteer wheat, they're gonna, yeah.
Oh yeah, they love it. Say that already. Finish that nap.
Yeah, you can take a nap. Yeah, you always been.
Small. Yo, yeah, but very. Well.
We just got set up here. We just actually had a group of pintails try to get in here on us. So yeah, it's looking like it's going to be a good evening. We still got good wind. It's not as much as it was forecasted to be, and we hope, but lots of birds using the field, so it should be good here. We should get started here pretty quick. We have a lot of west in our wind. Right here, guys. Get ready, guys. Get ready, guys. Get ready, guys. Get them, guys. Get those 3. Get those 3. Back. Get them, guys. Get them. Get them. Oh, nice shot.
Back.
You like that? That was cool. That was really cool.
Go ahead, guys. Get him. Get him, guys.
.22. There's ducks on the right again. Oh, same ones in that.
Get him, guys.
Up top, right up top. Nice shot. Watch out. Holy cow, we got a lot right on that one. We got a lot right there. There's one down right there. Right up there.
him right here. Get him right here.
Hold off on him.
Get him, guys. Get him, guys.
And that was a little more center, wasn't it?
Yeah, great. All right, so.
Yep. Zach, you got any ducks back there?
No.
There you go.
Boyd has one or two.
You ready to shoot some more ducks or what?
I think we're moving around
so we can actually shoot.
Yeah. We gotta hide better or something.
Yeah, I don't think we're hidden well enough. Get them, guys. Get those. Get. Nice.
Back.
Look at this, guys. Get centered up here, guys. Get him! Oh, yeah.
Back.
Everybody just stay down. Everybody just stay down. Watch the sailor behind us. Bunch of snow geese coming, guys. Bunch of snow geese coming. We're watching snows on the road, guys. Get them snows out front. Get the snows right here. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Nice. Get another one. Yeah. Get the single. Get him. Nice. All right, everybody load up. Load up, get ready. Load up, get ready.
We need like 7 or 8 more ducks here to finish up the 8-man here, and the snow geese just started flying. We shot into a really good group there, shot 8 or 10 I think a while ago, so hopefully we can make a pile here in just a minute. We got like 3 hours of shooting light left, so it should be good.
Shoot the one on top. Shoot it, shoot it. Oh my gosh, he might hurt me right here. Let's shoot the ducks. Let's shoot the ducks. Right here, guys. 1 duck apiece. Get him, guys!
How many snows did we kill? We had to kill 8 or 10 right there. It felt like a lot. We just finished up our ducks. They're still trying to pour in here. We just pulled the mojos. So we're gonna try to work on some snow geese now. There still should be a lot to come. Yeah, if the snows keep doing it like that first flock did, it could get messy here.
Oh, look at these ducks. You guys want to watch some ducks real quick? You guys want to sit down and watch some ducks or nothing else?
Absolutely.
There's still a lot of snow geese to come.
Take some pictures.
Get him, guys! Get him! Keep getting. Get it. Nice. All right, everybody just stay down. Hey, single on the right, circling back. Yeah, I was Get them. Get them. Get them, guys, on the left. You three on the left. Oh, it's hit me. Whenever you can shoot him. Shoot him. Nice shot.
Back.
Get him! Hold on. Keep it on. Time right there, dude. Time, Jack. Stop. That's right.
We just wrapped up for the evening. We had a really good shoot. We shot the ducks pretty quick, shot 50 ducks, and right about the time the geese started flying, we lost every bit of wind we had. So the snows didn't want to do it real good. We still picked at them. I think we shot 26 geese, so it was a good evening.
We wrapped up this morning's hunt with 51 birds, and then I had an unfortunate event to where I couldn't make the evening hunt, but ended up with 127 birds.
127 for the day for the guys. So
Ended up being a really good day for them. We didn't really have much wind when we needed it, it sounds like. But
yeah,
could have been a lot better than what it was, but still an awesome hunt for 4 guys especially.